Hello! In this tutorial, we will be showing you instructions on how to place your Obot tokens on a decentralized Metamask wallet, how to buy Obot tokens on PancakeSwap. For your convenience, the content of the tutorial is included in timestamps in the description section. Step 1. Go to metamask.io, click Download Now, and install Metamask in your web browser. As you can see, there are 4 web browser options including Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. For security reasons, we recommend that you do not install Metamask on your frequently used web browser. This time we have prepared the tutorial on the Brave browser. Step 2. After installing Metamask in your web browser, you will be automatically greeted with a Welcome to Metamask homepage. You will then have 2 options, 1. To restore the old wallet and 2. To create a new wallet. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a new wallet. After you enter your new password, Metamask will give you the secret recovery phrase with 12 unique phrases. These 12 phrases are for you only, so we recommend that you keep them in a safe place. After that, you can type the 12 phrases in order and click the Confirm button to successfully install the Metamask wallet. Step 3. Your wallet on Metamask will be automatically connected to the Ethereum network. Now let us give you instructions on how to add your Obot token to this wallet on the BNB Smart Chain network before using PancakeSwap. To add the BNB Smart Chain network on Metamask, go to bscscan.com and click the Add BSC Network button. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and copy the BNB Smart Chain address from the Contracts section of the Obot token. Then go to your Metamask wallet, click on Import Tokens, then go to the Custom Token menu and paste the address code copied from CoinMarketCap. This will show you how many Obot tokens are in your Metamask BNB Smart Chain wallet. Now you have successfully installed your decentralized Metamask wallet. Please note that if you want to buy the Obot token using PancakeSwap, you will need to have a sufficient amount of BNB tokens deposited in your BNB Smart Chain account through the BEP20 network on Metamask to pay for gas fees, and deposit USDT to your BNB Smart Chain account through the BEP20 network on Metamask to trade while avoiding high slippage rates. You go to Obortech.io and click on the Obot token button, scroll down and press on PancakeSwap. Connect your Metamask wallet to PancakeSwap and select the BNB Smart Chain network. Then click on the Trade button to start trading. Click on the arrow in the middle to select your trading token at the top, such as USDT. Make sure to have the Obot token at the bottom section and your trading combination will be ready. Once you have entered your trading amount and have read the below section regarding fees and routes, you can then click the Swap button to complete your trade. Now you have successfully placed your Obot token in your Metamask wallet using PancakeSwap.